This model of the week is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air convertible by Crown Premiums. This diecast model is 1/24 scale and it has a lot of details. Opening hood shows the engine inside underneath the hood, plus it's got opening doors and an opening trunk. Here's the profile with the door shut. And the interior, which is easy to see because it's convertible. And the trunk lid that opens. Spare tire right there. Very detailed. Chrome accents on the door sills, the windshield frame, the dual mirrors, chrome strips on the trunk, in the hood, and an antenna. Here's the profile on the passenger side. And the interior again. Let's take a look on the underside. Very detailed also. As you can see. It's a heavy die-cast model, let me tell you. And here is the front clip. The infamous 57 Chevy. The icon of the 50s cars, or so most people say. Anyway, this excellent model, die-cast model, is finished in that 50s turquoise paint. Very good die-cast model, making this the model of the week. Thanks for watching.